Alrighty, example number 8, multiplying polynomial functions. So check this out here. We are given the function f of x equals 3x plus 4. And we're also given g of x, 2x squared plus x. And we want to find the product of f times g. And so the way that this is stated is the product of f of x times g of x. Okay, that's what we're doing here. Okay, but we don't want to confuse this with maybe like you've seen with a little like half thing like that. This means the composite function. Okay, this right here means to do this, but that's not what we're doing. Okay, we're not doing a composite function. What we're doing right here is we're taking the function f of x and we're multiplying it by g of x. We're actually taking two functions and we're going to multiply them together. Okay, and in this case we're going to actually do f of x times g of x, but now it's going to be f of -5 times g of -5. So we have two ways of doing it. We can either do this or we can do this. Okay, so we can first multiply these out, two binomials, like use FOIL. Or what we can do is we can find f of x first. Find f of -5. I'm sorry, this is supposed to be g right here. Find g of -5 and then just multiply those together. To me, it's kind of easy to do this right here. So that's what I'm going to do. So watch this. If we were to find f of -5, that would be 3 times -5 plus 4, right? Right here. I'm just plug it in -5 right here. So that would be -15 plus 4, or just -11. Okay, and then if I want to find g of -5, that's 2 times -5 squared plus -5. -5 squared is 25. So so that's 2 times 25 minus 5, right? 2 times 25 is 50, and then we do minus 5. So this equals 45. Okay. Great. So the last thing that we have to do now is this. What is f of -5 times g of -5? Well, that is -11 times 45. Okay. And doing that right there would be -495. Okay. So that's one way to do it, is first plug in -5 into both of the functions and then just multiply those two numbers. The other way is to do this first, is to multiply 3x plus 4 times 2x squared plus x. Multiply this binomial out and then whatever you get, and then you plug in -5. I mean, it's going to give you the same answer. It just depends on how you want to look at it.